Hi everyone, today we're going to make spiced pecans. To start, we will get 24 ounces of pecans toasting, one nice even layer. Doing in batches works best. You can also put them on a baking sheet all at once for 10 to 12 minutes in a 350-degree oven. After they are all toasted, we're going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter and add 1 teaspoon of salt. For this recipe, you can also substitute in any other nut and seed that you prefer. Pumpkin seeds are a great addition. Once we get the pecans coated, we will add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1/2 teaspoon of each cinnamon, cumin, and cayenne pepper. Add more of the cayenne pepper if you want them extra spicy. Give a good stir and coat them all and allow this sweetness to thicken slightly. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then on a parchment lined baking sheet, spread this evenly to cool until the pecans aren't sticky to the touch. You can store them in an airtight container and enjoy. These are awesome any time of year, but we especially like them around the holidays, and they make a great addition to homemade food gifts too.